Okay, product and quotient rules. Let's get the screen share up here.
So, this we already are supposed to know how to do, or just what we're learning how to do?
Both. You can do this, and I'm going to teach you another way to do this. Okay, method one.
Wait, I'm still doing this. I don't.
Bam!
Distribute the x squared. I just distributed.
Oh, okay, I was like, that's not the.
Okay. Now I can take the derivative, right? Power rule now.
I'm not ready. I'm not power rule again.
Okay, so sometimes you can solve these with the power rule if you want to simplify them. All right? Okay, here's the product rule.
Oh, you use the power rule.
Okay, are we good on method one?
Yes.
Okay, one person is.
Wait.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Whew, you were making me sweat there. Okay, why is method two, why can we use the product rule?
Because they multiply.
Yeah. Remember in math that means multiply, right? So if I have two terms multiplied together, I can use the product rule. I'm going to use some colors here. Okay, the first step is to take the derivative of the first. But then you have to copy the second. Okay, so that's the key there. Copy second.
So only the first.
Yes. Yep. Okay, plus a copy of the first and the derivative of the second. Oh, and that's f prime of x. Okay, so you cannot just take the derivative. It does not work. If there's two products or two things multiplied, you have to do. No, we're not integrating. We're driving so hard. All right, so product rule. If you can avoid it, please do. I don't care. But if you have to use it, this is it.
Avoid product rule?
No, if you have to use the product rule, because sometimes you can't simplify, that's the product rule.
Wait, so for the 9x minus 4, you got the derivative because you remove the constant?
Yeah, the constant drops, and then
You get 9 and
move the 1 down, x to the 0.
Okay.
All right, let's try another one.
Well, easy.
Yeah, do I need to simplify that?
Should.
If they ask you on the AP test, on a free response question,
I did.
do you simplify it?
No.
No. You leave it, because that is a correct answer.
So Was that the same there?
Yes.
It is. So if you wanted to, see how they match? That's a verification that it works.
Oh, see, I told you I was right.
All right, let's try a new one.
Quotient time. Let's quotient it. That's so much better.
Seriously.
This is where it can get a little bit messy. Okay.
He's probably sleeping.
I feel like we're gonna do
Finally
this
admitted that she's gonna have to do that.
possibly make it into a
Just the power rule. Okay, what is the derivative? Okay, what's the derivative of the first?
Negative t to the negative second.
Then copy the second. Plus.
I know, I hate it.
Times 2.
Why did they just put X in the question?
I don't think it's not put letters in now.
What, smiley faces? Do we use smiley faces for
Ben,
It's not like.
do you like driving to school or would you rather walk? Or how about this? Would you rather ride a horse?
No.
Okay, so
Okay. My point is proven.
Oh, I think no. Oh, I get it.
Okay, derivative of the first, copy second, plus copy first, derivative of second.
Wait, is that negative 1?
Yeah, so bring the exponent down and subtract 1 from it. Power rule. When we stop. No. Do you think you can handle the product rule?
Wait, yes.
Do you want a practice problem? Okay, here's a practice problem.
Wait. 2/3 minus 1. Oh, wait, never mind. That's not what it is. I was down.
I scared us.
I have no idea.
Okay, that's on your own. Calculate the derivative of t squared e to the t
What?
using the product rule. And this is where you show your school or
No, dignity.
it's not y equals, so we don't put dy equals. We're just taking the derivative with respect to t.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that a correct help?
So is a 2t times t minus 1.
Please give it.
Yeah.
Oh, right. No, that wasn't that. Nobody else. I just like they don't know where the hell
You guys get it? What?
I think I did.
What if we change the E to T minus 1?
No, It's the derivative of e to the t. Gotta remember that.
Product rule, there's a product here, times, right?
Okay, split that up. So,
There's there.
so parentheses around.
Copy
You
second.
just put parentheses around the square.
Oh, copy first, derivative second. Oh, we're supposed to do product? You have to. So there's
Just so
product.
you can recognize
Derivative
which is
first,
first.
copy second, copy first.
Take the derivative of this.
2t plus 2t plus 2t squared times e to the t. Oh, yeah, copy first.
I copied
So
the
derivative,
copy
copy derivative.
It is the plus sign, right?
Plus.
So
I'm
saying that it
first.
Just that. Then parentheses to the derivative of e to the t. That's it. Come on, just I go
What's the derivative of e to the t? No, it's e to the t. All right, attention back up front here. Buzzkill. Shut up, everybody. Okay. The biggest thing I'm hearing, the derivative of e to the t is e to the t. You did. I told you last week. Okay, that is special only to e to the x or e to the t, so be careful. Okay, what do you do if you have a quotient?
Basically, I have 3 planners.
Okay, you have a division problem, right? A quotient.
Letters and lines.
So this is very similar to the product rule. Okay, very similar. But we make a couple of... Are we okay?
Yeah, you did. Okay. How do we like to well, Alex, everybody. What is the real every time she gets a chance?
Derivative of the top times the bottom.
No, it's hard to
Here's the rule. Okay, that's the general rule. It's okay. Here's the change. The product rule, it's the same order, right? You just have a minus. And the bottom. It's very similar to the exponent rules. Okay, so what's the derivative of the top? 1. The derivative of the top.
That's a derivative, Tom.
Deriv top. Yeah, mine too. Copy the bottom. Minus. Yeah. Yeah, it'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Remember that one time we that place?
Oh, yeah, you were there.
That was the coldest thing I've ever done.
I do it every year. First snow.
Why did I do that? I don't even know why I was there.
You guys are not gonna understand this. I can just see
You
it.
just leave it like that?
Was it a birthday?
No, it was the same on there. I think
If you have to continue, you have to continue. But if you can stop, you're done. Okay, so again, derivative of the top times the bottom minus top derivative of the bottom. So compare it to the product rule. Derivative of the first, copy second, plus copy first, derivative of the second. You see the comparison there? And then the bottom squared. All right, let's try another one.
Thinking about that makes me laugh. But it's so funny. What? One time when we were hot, something cut.
Snow angels, huh?
No angel.
Dude, remember when they cheated? I was actually making snow angels for a good minute.
Yeah.
They just ran out there.
Is that
and
plastic?
ran and just-
I give up.
I don't think so, and I didn't think so. Y'all just have-
It's quarter 2 and we've lost focus at Grand Valley High School.
It was a dark day.
It was a dark day. I might have to open the dungeon.
I just don't want these things to go there.
I used it red line.
I'm so sorry for like this.
Well, about half of us got the hint. Yeah, I know you do. The problem is the people that don't got it aren't paying attention. And we look like fools on the internet. We got people lounging around, talking about hot tubs.
There's the box right now.
If that's your answer, it's correct.
You don't take derivative here.
Derivative of the top, copy bottom, minus
Derivative.
copy top, derivative of the bottom, over bottom squared.
Yeah, trust me.
Okay, here's your test.
Find the tangent line goes to
Thank you for the play-by-play. I feel like Peyton Manning right now. Longer than I thought we would take. That's all I can tell you. Okay, there's your go. There's your task. Let me.
This is one of the better classes.
Really?
Oh, God, yes.
Oh my God, yes, calculus. Yeah, I can honestly tell you I like this class a heck of a lot better than and stats.
No, I have no idea. Computer science, you just play with AI, same
I
time.
would do at least one and
Right.
stats.
Yeah.
Does anybody need help? You don't want to
Remember, don't say.
Wait, question.
answer.
Should I just plug in now or should I simplify a little bit?
Okay.
Answer?
Are you finished?
No, Allie. I
Okay.
while we were doing that, I just wanted to listen to one.
7.
Recognize the factors that I don't
Um, 3x squared minus 2x. X cubed times 4x.
I forgot to
Times the bottom. Five squared. Alright, so it's
There's the derivative.
plus 1.
Check your derivative.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right there. The derivative of x is 1. It is the slope of the tangent line. What's f of 1? 3 plus 1's 4 minus 2 fifths. Good.
So y minus 2 fifths equals 11/25 times x minus 1.
There's your equation. Thank you, Jed.
This makes perfect sense.
It's long, it's tedious, but it makes sense.
So, I think it's fine that you look over and all. I think you look at me, that's better.
Back to you.
I'm the derivative of F1. How did you go back to F1?
What? Oh, I just plugged 1 in here. Because I need a point and the slope. So I get a point from the original, and then I get the slope from the derivative. So. Okay, there you go. Do tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yep.
No, 10:38,
I challenge that. Take 2 out of
10:39,
38.
39. Due by the end of the day then. Thank you, Josh. Somebody said it. It was a guess.
Or you can do that.